Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on Kraken. So the first thing, open the Kraken Wallets app on your phone, then log in using your account details. You may need to verify with Face ID, fingerprint or your PIN. Once you are logged in, look for Bitcoin. You can find it in the watch list as you can see here, or you can simply search for it in the search bar. So then click on Bitcoin and next tap on trade on the bottom right corner as you can see and choose the option buy. Now after that, enter the amount you want to purchase. For example, you can start with $10, then choose your payment methods, review the details and tap confirm to complete the purchase. And that's it. You've successfully bought Bitcoin on Kraken. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.